Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss the 7 key differences between center of mass and center of gravity. Firstly, the center of mass is the average position of the mass in an object, while the center of gravity is the point where the weight of the object is concentrated. Secondly, the center of mass is constant for a given object, but the center of gravity can vary depending on the gravitational field strength. Thirdly, the center of mass can be outside the object, but the center of gravity is always within the object's physical boundaries. Next, the center of mass can be determined by mathematical calculations, but the center of gravity is determined by the distribution of mass and the force of gravity. Moving on, the center of mass is used to analyze the motion and stability of rigid bodies, whereas the center of gravity is used to analyze the forces acting on the object. Furthermore, the center of mass is used in finding the torque and rotational motion, while the center of gravity is used in determining the stability of the object. Moreover, the center of mass determines translational motion, while the center of gravity determines the balance point of the object. Additionally, the center of mass can change based on the density distribution, but the center of gravity cannot be changed as long as the object remains on Earth. Lastly, the center of mass can exist even in the absence of gravity, but the center of gravity requires a gravitational field to exist. So, these are the 7 key differences between the center of mass and the center of gravity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos.